Now we'll discuss about subscription in details. Subscription is always shown on the debit side of receipts and payments account because this is the income and this is the revenue income and revenue receipt. This is the main source of income any NPO. Generally, this subscription is provided or paid by the members of the organization, or it may be some government or business house. It is a revenue gain, and all revenue gains are shown on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Suppose some information are given to you. Outstanding subscription as on 31st December 2009, that was 10,000, and as on 31st December 2010, it was 7,000 rupees. And advance received subscription was 3,000 in the beginning and 5,000 at the end. And cash received during this year was 1,50,000 rupees. It means on debit side of receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st December 2010, it was 1,50,000 rupees. Now the question is, how much it should be shown in income and expenditure account credit side? Because there is outstanding subscription, I meant to say subscription in area, and advanced subscription. Better you go for subscription trading account. That will be easy for you. So prepare subscription trading account. So on debit side, to balance BD, outstanding subscription, and on credit side, by balance CD, outstanding subscription. And on credit side, by balance BD, prepaid subscription, and on debit side, to balance CD, prepaid subscription. And on credit side, by cash, whatever you have received cash during this year. So in the beginning, outstanding was 10,000 rupees, and at the end, means closing balance was 7,000 rupees. Advance subscription in the beginning, I mean to say by balance BD, it was 3,000 rupees, and at the end, means closing balance was 5,000 rupees. By cash, this figure has been taken from the receipts and payments account, and it was 1,50,000 rupees. So total on the credit side, 1,60,000. And the balancing figure on debit side will be 1,45,000 rupees. So it will be transferred to income and expenditure account. Transfer total 1,60,000. So when you prepare income and expenditure account on the credit side, it will be shown 1,45,000 rupees. Let's take one more example for the subscription. Receipts and payments account for 31st December 2010 is given, and on debit side, to subscription for 2009, 5,000 rupees in email column, 2010, 30,000 rupees, 2011, 9,000 rupees. So total, we have got 44,000 rupees. So it means during this year, we have got 44,000 rupees. Out of that, 5,000 belong to last year. It means there were some members who couldn't pay during the last year and they cleared their account this year. For 2010, this is for the current year, and 2011. This year is 2010, but we have got the money for the next year. It means this is the advance money we have got during this year. And if we look at the footnotes, that is, I mean to say, additional information, that is outstanding subscription as on 31st December 2009, 6,000 rupees, and 31st December 2010, 8,000 rupees, prepaid as on 31st December 2009, 4,000 rupees. All these additional information will be written down in the balance sheet. So let's make the format for two balance sheets, 2009 and 2010. Outstanding subscription on the asset side for 2009, that is 6,000, It is given in the additional information. But during this year, we could recover only 5,000 rupees. It means 1,000 is still due from the members. That will be written down on the asset side of 2010. But outstanding subscription as on 31st December 2010 is 8,000. It means there were two outstanding subscriptions for 2009 and for 2010, I mean to say current year. 1,000 for the last year and 7,000 for the current year. So in this way, outstanding subscription as on 31st December 2009 is 6,000 rupees and as on 31st December 2010, that is 8,000 rupees. Now prepaid subscription as on 31st December 2009, 4,000. Naturally, this is the figure for the beginning. So prepaid subscription on liability side for 2009, it will be written 4,000 rupees. If we look at the receipts and payments count, during this year, we have got 9,000 rupees for the next year. Naturally, this is the advance subscription for the next year as on 31st December 2010. So this will be the position of the balance sheet. Now let's prepare subscription trading count. To balance BD, outstanding subscription 6,000 rupees. I have taken this figure from balance sheet. And by balance CD means closing balance of outstanding subscription 8,000 rupees. This figure has come from balance sheet. And by balance PD, prepaid subscription 4,000 and to balance CD, prepaid subscription 9,000. These figures have been taken from the balance sheet. And by cash means whatever we have got during this year. Total money received, that is 44,000 rupees. It means the total of the credit side is 56,000. So balancing figure is 41,000 rupees on the debit side. So to income and expenditure account transfer. It means this money will be transferred to income and expenditure account. So when we prepare income and expenditure account, we'll write down on the credit side by subscription 41,000 rupees.